Okay, just a quick one. Take a standard plastic waste sink trap and cut the bottom off. Unscrew that bit and you'll see there's a pipe stick down. So how much are you going to cut off? That's what you're going to ask me. Well, that's simple. You want this inner pipe to stick up 4 to 5 millimeters from here. Get yourself a party balloon, cut a piece of rubber balloon and stretch it over the end. Not easy, but you can do it, like so. And then tape it on, but I've made a plastic ring just to hold it. Bear with me. There we go. So now we've got a taut membrane. Okay, screw it back onto our fitting so that the membrane is now in contact with the inner pipe. And if you gently blow in here, you've got a good oscillator. Now, if we extend the pipe, this is not a tune, this is just an odd length, it'll change the note to a lower note. Watch the diaphragm. Brilliant, isn't it? If you stick a traffic cone on the end of that, you'll be able to knock the birds out of the trees. But I don't want to do that. I'm going down, as I say, this is a quick one. I'm going down to the plumbers and I'm going to buy a U-bend and a couple more bits of plastic pipe, and then hopefully by tonight I'll invented the world's first trombone euphonium. So come the Brexit celebrations, guys, if you don't see me, I guarantee you'll hear me. Anyway, toodle pip for now.